And we're live. Hi everybody. I'm Jane. Welcome once again to our workshop with Elijah, popularly known as the Friday Devil. But for today, we'll be exploring a topic called Base African Buildathon, Base Tools and SDK Workshop. So, Women DeFi partner for the current hackathon. So, so with me, like I said, Elijah, you say, please, can you unmute your mic and just introduce yourself and and just keep it by the time you ask question, you can ask Elijah and then we can move. Can you hear me?
I can't hear you clearly. I don't know if you are hearing me.
Can you hear me? Yeah, I
Yeah, I
can hear
can
you
hear you.
clearly. All right. So can you go on? Proceed by introduce yourself and carry on. The stage is all yours.
All right. Good evening, or depending on the time wherever you are watching. Good evening, or since we are all in crypto GM. I'm DeFi Devrel, but I'm a judge for. I'm a speaker and a judge for this hackathon, for Base Africa Hackathon 2024. And I'm here to introduce to builders in the WID community, and I mean people that will be joining outside the community, to the tools on Base that will make development easier and faster. I mean, these tools can be used um, during the hackathon to make the hackathon process easier. Thank you very much, Coxie. Thank you to the WID community for hosting me.
Elijah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, yeah. Please proceed. I thought your network was bad.
All right. So, first of all, welcome officially to the Base Buildathon, Base Africa Buildathon. This Buildathon is let me quickly give a rundown. Yep. Okay. So welcome officially to the Base Africa Buildathon. Now, of course, we all know Base is for everyone who wants a better internet, and we are calling all builders in Africa to solve real challenges in their local communities, by building on chain. So first of all, the hackathon had already begun yesterday, 27th September, and is running up till 13th October. Um, Application is going to be closed in 15 days, and the schedule the schedule for this hackathon, I mean, the registration has started already, and the buildathon is going to end on 13th October. So by 13th October, you should have rounded up with your project and should have submitted on the folio. If you are participating in this hackathon, make sure you register via this link, baseafrica.devfolio.co. So here I'm here to introduce tools that you can use during the hackathon to make development faster, to make development easier for you as a builder on Base. So the first tool we'll be talking about is on-chain kit. So let's go ahead. Please, Coxie, I want you to be my guide. I don't know when you'd stop hearing me and if I'm breaking or something. Just let me know if anything happens. All right.
Yeah, sure. I'm here.
Awesome. So first of all, Unchained Kit is a ready to use React component and TypeScript utility. By that I mean, um, you don't need to write your front end from scratch. All you need to do is install the Unchained Kit library. I'm going to do a little demo session here. Install your Unchained Kit library, set up your um, API keys, and yeah, use the utility. I mean, install the utility or integrate the utility you want to use. So what are the prerequisites for using Unchained Kit? So for front end, you'd have your you can use any JavaScript framework. Could be Next.js, could be TypeScript. But yeah, for the purpose of this workshop, we'll be using TypeScript. You need the Unchained Kit documentation and of course your code editor. So for this workshop, we'll be using my code editor, Cursor. So yes, let's see how to use Unchained Kit. First of all, you have to head over to this repo, github.com/Elisha. I think I'll put it in the comments. Actually, I made this repo in a way that I've already set up everything you need. All you need to do is fork the repo and start building the idea or what you want to build on chain. Now, if you look at let's look at the on chain kit documentation. Let's take a look at it. Now, if you look at this documentation, um, you realize that you're starting a fresh project from scratch. npm Use your npm to create, and it's a whole lot of process, putting together your on-chain kit provider and your wagmi provider. So to save you the time, i put I made together this repo. So all you need to do is head over to github.com/Elisha slash on-chain.
Elisha, can you share the link?
I can share the link, right? How do I
Yeah,
share it?
link so I can
Comment.
just type it to yeah
I gotta join.
chat.
Okay, that was not connected. Let me see.
Okay, don't worry. I will share it today later.
Okay.
Just go back
Um.
to what you're doing.
Okay. I want to make sure you are hearing me. Okay, fine.
I can hear you.
So if you look at the whole process of, initializing your on-chain kits, on-chain kit library on your code editor, it's going to take a while. So in order to save you the whole time, I put I put this repo together. So now let's do a little demo. So all you need to do is fork it in your own case, or you clone it. Sorry, terminal. Clone it on your terminal. Git clone. Okay, I think I already have it. Let me remove it. Remove chain. Oh, sorry, there was an error here. Okay, so while that is going on, literally, since this repo is already set up, all you need to do is clone the repo to your local file. After cloning the repo, you need to set up your environment variable keys. I'm sorry, environment variable file. And inside your environment variable, you would need your API key from Coinbase Developer Platform. So all you need to do is head over to your Coinbase Developer um, Platform account on portal.cdp.coinbase.com. That is the link, portal.cdp.coinbase.com. So on getting here, this is the first page you are going to see. So you need to go to on-chain tools and select on-chain kit.
Elijah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, someone said that tried to register Coinbase, but I tried registering Coinbase, but I'm unable to. What do you say? Okay, I've been trying to register Coinbase, but I am unable to do that even with a VPN. Is it that like there any issue with the site,
Okay.
or is it just probably his network?
Yeah, it's not network. That is one of the constraints, especially if the person is in Nigeria. That's one of the constraints we have. Our government policy, it does not fully accept Coinbase as an exchange. So that is why you need to use VPN. And yes, I had same issues with creating this account. I had to use a foreign number, right? I had to call a friend outside and use her contact to open my own personal account. So I understand this is going to be a setback for builders in Nigeria. I don't know if it's possible. I don't know how it's going to be, but the best way to go around is getting a foreign number to verify the Coinbase account. Once you do that, I think the number can be changed later. I don't know, but I've not tried changing mine personally. So that is the best thing.
But
That's the
with
best.
this, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can
I can hear you. Go ahead. Go ahead. I can hear you.
that if we don't register for Coinbase, that we cannot use on-chain kit?
Okay, so since this is a requirement, like I said, this is my API key. You need it. You need it to set up your on-chain kit environment variable. So sorry. Yeah, it's a requirement. So yeah, definitely going to need a Coinbase developer portal for you to get this API key.
Oh, all right. So for those that have issues, I'm pretty sure they can use VPN because yeah, because there's one VPN you can use. I know that it's free. It's called I think it's called Photon. I will share
Now,
the link later
this
though,
is
or you can just put it on your WhatsApp.
okay. Actually, this is not a VPN issue. VPN is used to access the site itself,
Can you guys hear
but
me?
this is not a VPN issue. The
No.
VPN is only used to access the site itself, but it is a verification issue. You know how you try to open Facebook account and you are asked for your phone number to verify the account. That is what I'm talking about, not the access to the website itself.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Yeah, let's move forward with cloning the repo again. Okay. Yeah, to actually make things easy. So cd on-chain kit code. Okay.
So because we are Nigerians and
I don't know if you are speaking. I did not hear you.
sorry, my network bit shit.
Can you hear me? I
Hello.
did not. I didn't hear you.
You can hear me now? Can you hear me?
You are breaking actually.
Okay, just proceed without me.
Okay, so when you clone the folder, first things first, you create your env file on the root folder. I mean on the root of the directory. So all you need to do is set up your key. Yeah, I need the value for my API key. Now this is, I think we got it how we got the whole process how we got here. On getting to your portal, first thing, go to your on-chain tool. From on-chain tools, go to on-chain kit, and here we are. Fetch this key and provide it here. Okay. So yes, after you've done that, try to install all node modules using yarn. Crazy. Oh, you need nvm versions. I don't know, is my screen very small? I'm sorry, I did not even remember to like increase the font size or something. Cogsy, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
So how is the display? Is it very small? Use it
No, the
in-
network is a bit shaky, so you have to proceed.
Okay. So in case, yeah, please, in case anybody missed that, if you try to install and you get an issue like the engine node is incompatible with this node,
Elijah,
oh, yeah,
can anybody hear me?
I can hear
Oh,
you.
okay. I think Elijah network was a bit bad. I think it's my guys. If you guys are here and you can hear me, say or say something so I can network. I mean, it's network.
Hi. Hi, Coxie. Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Uh, I
my
don't
net.
know between us who is logging right now. Okay. Thank you, John. Thank you, John, for the response. Um, so basically, our link is ready to deploy. You can see it, right? You can see my screen. So all you need to do, connect your wallet. Actually, the connect wallet model here, let me explain it. It's using the Coinbase smart wallet. So you don't need to, yeah, it's using the Coinbase smart wallet. So actually, if everything runs correctly, um, if everything runs correctly, this is what is going to be displayed on your screen. Now, if you notice this connect wallet button shows only my wallet address and my avatar. Now let's try adding my badge to it. Sorry, let's try adding my name. Yeah, my name to it. So where do we go? The swap. First of all, you need to fetch this name, um, the name component. Okay, it's already here. So oh yeah, I think it's already put in place. Yeah, it's here. It's here already. Yeah, Coxy must be logging something. Something is wrong with our network, I think. So the name component is already here. Why is my name not showing on the display? The reason why it's not showing here, that's my ENS name, is not showing here is because this is a smart wallet, not my actual wallet. This is a smart wallet, and this smart wallet to um was not used to get my ENS, right? I don't know if that makes sense, if you understand that. So if you are trying to we are trying to use any of these utilities, all you need to do is go to that component you want to install, copy the codes and paste in your coding environment. Make sure you have set your env, else it's not going to work. This is mine. I don't know if there's a way we can get past the verification, at least for the hackathon. Maybe I'll talk to the team or something. Is it possible for the hackathon? Because yeah, it's not friendly.
You can check it. Like required.
It will help. On chain kit will help a lot, actually.
It's not required.
Okay, so aside on chain kit, we also have the Coinbase 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 documentation. Yeah, Coinbase developer platform, actually. Yep. Okay, I don't know. Is Coxy here? Coxy, are you there? Can you hear me? Hi, Coxy. Are you hearing me? Oh shit. Coxy, can you hear me? I think I can hear your background, but you're not hearing me. I don't know what to do right now because I don't know if Coxie is there and if the whole thing is working. Can you guys hear me? Like the audience, can you hear me? Can you like react or type in the comments if you are hearing me or not? Coxie is actually the host. If she leaves and joins back, it's going to mess up the whole thing. Okay, if you guys can hear me, then let's shoot. Um, aside aside the on-chain kit, we still have Coinbase developer platform APIs, where you can use smart wallets to seamlessly bring your users on chain. The documentation is here. smartwallet.dev.y. Create a new web app. Yeah, just like we did for on-chain kit. All you need to do is clone clone this GitHub, set up your environment variable, input your API key. I think the on this environment variable file, you need to get your wallet connect project ID from the wallet connect cloud website. I think this is it. Oh, so wallet connect has rebranded and they are now called Reown. So all you need to do, connect your wallet. Or you can just use your email. Let me use mine. Do I have an existing password? I doubt. Okay, so to save us time, I think I have a wallet I've used for this. Coxie, are you here now? So basically, that's what is called account abstraction. So you don't need, yeah, you don't need to, you don't need to you can log into any dApp with your Google, your Twitter, your normal connect wallet and the rest. All of them works together. AppKit is live on Solana. Sorry, that's not our concern right now. So on getting to wallet connect, all you need to do, create your project, input your project name. Let's say project XYZ. You don't need a link because maybe you might have not deployed the link yet. AppKit is preferred. Then you select your framework. Are you using React? Are you using Next.js? Are you using Vue? Are you using JavaScript? Are you using React Native or any framework you're using? Just select it. I most likely use Next.js, TypeScript. create. So it's going to generate this project ID here for you. Yeah, you have your project ID here. You copy it and make sure you replace it here. You copy it and make sure you replace it here in your env file. Then you don't need to use bond. You don't need to use bond. You can use your yarn. You can use npm, right? I think the person that wrote this might have used bond, but you don't need it. You can use yarn or npm since a lot of persons are familiar with those. Test your setup. Visit your site locally, click the login button. Okay, let's just try it out. Let's just try it out since we have some time left. Git clone, chain app template. Okay. Oh shoot. That was a mistake.
Sorry, Elijah, are you here?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Thank God that Elijah is visible to everybody. Can you guys see the screen now?
Wait, you cannot see my screen?
Okay. Elijah,
Yeah, I think my screen is visible. It's not visible now.
Elijah, can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
Okay, thank God that you can see my screen.
So from the documentation, all you need to do is add this to your env file. So your CDP API key. Remember, I showed you how to get it. Go to your Coinbase platform, access API. So you go here, create an API. Let's say WID test API. Create. So secret. Yep. Beginning to the end. I've saved my key. Our project ID from Wallet Connect. Mm,
Okay. So currently I'm not too sure if you guys can still hear me, but I really hope you guys can still hear me because I don't know, everything is just so shaky, very, very shaky right now.
I can hear you actually.
Or if you can hear me, kindly comment so I can be sure that you can hear me and you can also see the screen.
I can hear you actually. I don't know if you are hearing me.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. So I don't know. Okay, if you have any questions, keep dropping your questions now. From what I can see that Elisha did, Elisha has shown us like a GitHub repo that more of like a quick start that we can use to start our application. And yeah, it's by Elisha. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you clearly. I don't know if you are hearing me too.
The audible to him.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, my network is shaking.
What is wrong? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry about that.
There's nothing I can do about it.
There's a lot you can do about it. Okay. hmm Okay, I should drop the link to the repo. Yep. Let me do that. No, all you need to do is if you intend to use smart wallets in whatever you are building, all you need to do is go to https smart wallet dev. So that is all you need. I think that's the link. Why is it not clickable? So you just visit that link and okay, we are done here. Yarn dev. Let's see. Um localhost localhost 3000. Let's run it and see. Compiling. Let's see. Okay, compiled. All right. So yes. Here you can see my. Oh shoot! Just stay. I hide. You can see my wallet is connected and is displaying a domain I got. That is how transact will trigger a transaction. Okay, switch to base Secular. Do I have base Secular on that wallet? I doubt. Yeah, I knew it that I don't. So basically, yeah, during the hackathon, just in case you need, yeah, I needed to say this. In case you need faucet tokens like base Secular tokens, all you need to do is reach out if you're in the WID community. I'm in the community as well, in the Discord community. All you need to do is tag me, defi.devrel.base on Discord. All you need to do is tag me to your wallet address. I'm going to send you, I think I have some faucets here. I'm going to send you, I have about 4K here. I'll send you some testnet tokens that you can use for the hackathon. I hope that's clear. So if you need faucet tokens, I mean testnet tokens, all you need to do is reach out in your community in the Discord. Make sure you tag me to your wallet, and I'm going to attend to you ASAP. So that is just a display on, using the smart wallet, function here. So for on-chain tools, we still have paymaster, we have data. For payment, you have your on ramp. You know what on ramp is? On ramp is using your local currency to paying, paying your local currency to get crypto, like swapping local currency for crypto. That's what on ramping is. So if you are building a utility that needs, or you are building an idea that needs an on ramp feature, all you need to do is go to this part of your Coinbase developer platform dashboard, and you're gonna see the documentation here. And yeah, the matrix counting the transaction and the on-ramp volume, then the logs. Also, if you are implementing paymaster, that is, you want to sponsor the gas for your users, um you know that basically base fees are very low since it's layer 2 and it's scalable. So if you want to sponsor the gas for the users of your idea, you can implement bundler and paymaster. Yep. Will automatically deduct credit from your invoice to obtain an extra $500 in credit. Add a payment method. So using paymaster, you need to whitelist, yeah, I would call it whitelist, or allow list your contract, so that it will restrict gas sponsorship from those smart contract. Then you set your gas limit, customize your sponsor label, add your payment method, and try out your first transaction. And also, if you are building out a staking use case, programmatic staking, you can go here, view documentation. Yeah, it take you to the Coinbase, I'm sorry, docs.cdp.com, where you see how to implement the programmatic staking, right? Yep, I think so far that is basically. Yes, you can use Sepiola 8. I'm just seeing that question. You can use Sepiola 8, but it will not make any sense. This is a base hackathon, or this is a base buildathon, right? So you need to use base Sepiola. Now I think I have to show you how to, because what I have here is the okay, I have base Sepiola. So if you are asking for Sepiola or testnet tokens, it's base Sepiola I'm sending. But in case you have Ethereum Sepiola tokens, all you need to do is breach. I'm trying to remember. There's a way I breached mine. Sometime. Uh, there's a way I breach mine. This is not the website. I cannot remember the website, but I think if I breach from Sepiola, let's see. Yep. This is it. This is it. Yes, this is it. So let me share the links. Let me share the links to that bridge. You can Let me share the links to that bridge. Bridge dot gg. Yeah, if you need test tokens, please don't tag me here on YouTube. I might not follow up. Go to your community, if it's Discord, WID Discord community, or if you are not in the WID community, if you need testnet tokens, you have my username on Twitter, DeFi Devrel. All you need to do is tag me, and yeah, I'll send it. Bridge from, yeah, you can bridge from from Ethereum to Base. So all you need to do is connect your wallet. um Give me some time. Yeah, all you need to do is connect your wallet, and as well. Okay, Sepular, it should show. um why can you hear me now? Seems you are live now.
Yeah, yeah, I can. Can you hear me?
Yep, I can.
Oh, okay. Sorry for
Sorry.
the break.
No, it's fine.
So where were
Think
we?
actually we've gone a bit far.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure. There's a bridge I actually used to use for um I'm trying to remember that bridge. I used it to bridge from Sepiola to Optimism when I was trying to test out some stuff, but I cannot really remember the name of the bridge right now. But probably when I remember, I'm going to share it on socials. Yeah, on my socials. So that should not keep us waiting.
Okay, for those that are looking for test nets, okay, you can actually get test nets from different places, but you just have to have little it on your
that
account.
that issue of having it is something I'm trying to solve, right? So instead
Yeah.
of looking for it, just tag me on social, or tag me in either the WID community, or you tag me on Twitter. I'm going to send you. I think I have about 1.5 tests, 1.5 each. So I think sharing 0.1 for everybody should be cool.
Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.
So yeah. So yes, I don't know if I think it's still important to put this out. Um at the end. Yes, I'm so sorry. For our non-technical builders, please, this hackathon is not only for technical persons. This hackathon is not only for technical persons. So if you are a non-technical builder, I think you should have seen the tweet made by Biz recently. You should have seen this tweet. Let me get it. Okay, you should have seen. No, not this one.
But I do have some questions while you look for the tweets you're talking about for non-technical
Okay.
builders as well. All right.
Okay.
So from the workshop, what I got the fact that you showed us how to scaffold the new project for probably just to ease our workflow, just to like scaffold the project using the GitHub repo. I don't know if you have sent the GitHub repo to the community or the comments, but you can still do that as well. So I think that's what you did. And I don't know if you ran the application and maybe you show the connect wallet button that the users can. That's it. Okay.
Yeah,
It
that's
is.
it.
All right. So can you like share the GitHub repo? And also for people that are a bit limited, maybe they could not really get their API key because it's made mention in fact that you have to use like a foreign number to sign up for that Coinbase stuff to get
About that, I think I'm going to move that case forward. I think I'll let Jesse know about it. So if we
okay.
propose any solution to it, fine. You'd see it on socials definitely.
Oh, that makes sense. So can you please share the link to your GitHub repo? I think that can actually help people to just get started with their front end. So that would be great too.
Yeah, at the end of this session, I would quote the tweet WID made with all the links we've used throughout the session. I think that should help.
Yeah, that should help. That should help. That's amazing. So I don't know if
Also,
anybody has a question. Okay, one more question. I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure other people might have these questions too. You know, for EVM chains, what is actually used to interact with your smart contracts and your front end is mostly Ether.js or Web3.js. And I'm pretty sure that's the same with Base, right? There's no difference in
yeah,
it,
sure,
right?
sure. You can use Web3.js, you can use Ether.js, of course.
Alright. So, does anybody have any question concerning the hackathon or concerning this workshop or anything you want to know, or probably anything you don't really understand that you feel like okay, you want Elijah to um verify on? Because you guys just there's little information. In fact, that Elijah is actually one of the judge for this base buildathon. So you have the opportunity to ask now because it's one of the judge, and so just ask everything you want to ask. Just ask now. This is the right time to ask your questions. While we wait, Elijah, okay, so you're going to quote the GitHub people, right? I'm still going to
Yeah, sure,
remind you. Right.
sure, sure.
So I'm
Okay,
guessing there's no
Nini.
question.
Okay, there's no question, right?
That one
Okay,
I'm guessing.
that's fine. That's fine. So, I'm so sorry, for my friends that are not technical persons. I'm so sorry I did not remember. So yeah, this hackathon is not only for technical persons. As a non-technical person, as as a non-technical person, what you need to do if you are a video content creator, you are a writer, all you need to do is um create content around local issues that 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 can be solved, or sorry, about around local issues in your environment, in your community, and how you think on-chain products can solve it. Yeah, just create content around issues that you have locally, and how on-chain products can solve these issues. Once you do that, you can post it on your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Then when you are submitting it on this platform, you'd use the when you're submitting it on this platform, um you'd use the link to the uploaded content to submit. So in the absence of questions, I think we have we have come to the end. We have come to the end of this session. I don't know if there's any question in the comment I've not answered. Let me check it out.
Someone just asking, okay, how can I get the link to the WIT community? Okay, the funny thing is that women identify communities for ladies only, and I think you're a guy, so it's for ladies only. And also, you can't just get a link to join the community. You have to fill the forms, probably put in your name, your socials, and everything. Then, if you're accepted, a link will be sent to you to join the community. So that's thank you everybody for joining us, because I can see that a lot of people join from all over Africa actually. That's really amazing. Once again, Women in DeFi is a non-profit organization. We empower ladies through different trainings and opportunities in our community. So if you have any lady as your friend or your sister or your mom, anybody that really wants to know about the blockchain or about Web3, to empower them, just tell them about Women in DeFi and tell them about what we do here. That's something that's really rare. So once more, Elijah, thank you so much for making time for this workshop, for being here with us. It really means a lot to us and no my team,
Yeah,
everybody.
yeah. So
Thank you so
basically,
much.
yes, thank you. I would be available on. I mentioned it on some spaces throughout the time for this hackathon. If you have any technical issue, you have issue deploying your smart contract, you have issue verifying your smart contract, any technical issue at all, if you are in WID community, make sure you tag me defidevrel.biz. If you are on Twitter, tag me to your issue, and we'll set up a meet, or I can, if I'm engaged, I'll link you up with another devrel to assist you. So for the meantime, my advice for people participating in the technical part of the hackathon, whatever you're building, it's very, very important to keep it simple. Yeah, keep it simple in the sense that it's not going to take a lot of time for it to complete. And yeah, all you need to do is ship the minimum viable product, like MVP version of your idea. You don't need to build the whole thing. Just build one feature. And probably in the video you are submitting, you can talk about the whole feature of the app and the one that is present. So to all builders, both non-technical and technical builders, I'm looking forward to seeing amazing submissions in this hackathon. If you have any
I have a
questions, if you have any concerns, make sure you reach out.
Yeah, so we have just 3 minutes left, and a question does pop into my mind right now. I would love to ask you that question. So,
All right.
you talk builders and just be something simple and stuff like that. Are you guys expecting to see something specific, or anything at all can just be built as long as you are building on base?
Now, thank you for that question. If you notice, if we look at this, if you look at this, if you look at this page, first of all, evaluation criteria has been stated here clearly. Make sure it's built on base, functions as pitch, originality, that's innovation slash originality to solve a problem. Practicality is usable and accessible by anyone. Aesthetics, wow factor, local impact, right? Now, and yeah, even on the page, you've been given a set of resources that will be important, I mean, that will be necessary for you to use. So it's not, we did not give any confinement or any constraint. If you notice, we not give you any track. So it's just pick a problem in your in your locality, in your community, and build something on chain that solves that problem. That's how simple it is. Can you hear me, Cogsy? Cogsy, are you there? Can you hear me?
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I can. Thank you so much for that tip. So you guys have heard what Elijah said. Just pick a little problem around you and just build something simple with it. So that makes sense. So what happens if maybe like as a it's a new idea, you want to like build this amazing UI. I'm pretty sure you guys want a UI that looks good, right? Like an very very amazing
Actually,
UI. I don't know.
personally,
What if you can just build some like you can,
personally, I I'm
okay,
very
continue.
big on making it work before I make the UI beautiful or anyhow. I mean, few days ago, Jesse randomly tweeted, or he tweeted on the timeline that he needs a product. Um, I mean, for under collateralized lending, and personally, I decided to take it up. I understood how it should work, but because of UI, I mean, I was waiting for my designer to put up the UI. Now, because of waiting for that UI, somebody else built the product and submitted it 2 nights ago. Like, he quoted the tweet and submitted it. So if you are waiting to do one perfect UI job, you're gonna waste a lot of time, and time is not on your side. You have barely 2 weeks. Yeah, barely 2 weeks to the end of this hackathon. So make sure you start working on something. Then if you get
Thank you so
to
much. Thank you.
yeah, if you get to win this hackathon, you can perfect the UI and all. Are you there, Kogli? Are you there? Hi, Kogzi, are you there?